So it's a sad day today here in Hartlepool. It's the last day of trading in the indoor market in the Middleton Grange shopping centre. So we're going to have a little trip over there, have a look, see which stalls are still going today, and I'll send the drone up as well and have a little look around. But really just want to get in to capture the atmosphere and just to show what it was like. So yeah, let's go and do that. The shopping centre was built in 1969 and it was opened by Princess Anne on the 27th of May 1970, which I attended actually. And you can see how desperate it is at the moment. But I just love this old, well, it was built in the 70s, but to me it has like a 60s modernistic kind of vibe to it. I love it personally, but right, let's go in, have a look, see what it's like for the very last time on the last day. You can't get through anywhere. I was wanting to have a walk round. Can you walk around the rest of it?
I'm going to have to walk around nearly a year and a half now.
Haven't you?
No.
Why me? Yeah. The shopping centre itself was built and owned by Hartlepool Borough Council until it was privatised in the 1990s. It was originally built to replace the old town centre, which had been located around the Lynn Street area. Most of the shops and the market closed and moved to the shopping centre when it was completed. Some of the shops and cafes which are located on the outer parts of the building won't be affected at all and will still be trading. Which shops do you remember and which were your favourites? Let me know in the comments below. The market hall is actually closing down because of safety concerns, which include the presence of reinforced autoclaved aerated concrete, also known as RAAC, which is located in the roof. We wanted to make one last purchase before it sadly closes down, so Brenda got herself some leeks and some bananas.
Thank you.
It's quite sad to see them all packing away. Brenda did buy some bananas. I don't think the people are very happy in there. Anyway, I'll show you down this part here, which used to be really vibrant. It's just pretty dead now. I know I always try and make the town look positive, but this is awful. So that's about it for now. I'll leave it there. Best of luck to everybody who's moving, and that's it.